part of meditation is learn to connect to nature, which is like learn to connect yourself. Hey everyone, welcome to OK Solution. So if you haven't subscribed, push the subscription button. Thank you for watching. So today we talk about meditation, and part of meditation is to learn to be aware of yourself and aware of what's around you, and connect to yourself and connect to what's around you. So one way of practicing it is gardening. Have a garden. Doesn't matter if it's big, small, or in a little pot. Learn to garden. Put the seed in. Learn about the soil, how the seed grows, and you will understand and appreciate that you're creating life. It starts from nothing, and then it becomes something. It's all because you. So if you understand the concept, then you understand of where you are, where you're going to be, and where you came from. But by seeing it and connecting to nature, you are part of nature. So eventually nature will reward you back. The more you're connected to nature, the healthier you are, the longer you live. You see, like, people sometimes just walk around barefoot. They're grounded, they're connected to nature. So a lot of time, the thing we do, we pick up a lot of energy, positive, negative, static energy. So even like on a device like an iPhone, there's a ground, a little black thing. It's to help ground the system, electrical system. Your body is all electrical system, so it's full of energy. So you need to learn how to ground it. The more you connect it to nature, the more you're going to be able to ground. So nature will heal you over time. But a lot of time, you wake up, you have sandal, then you have shoes, then you go to work, then you drive a car, and then you come home, and then the same thing. When do you ever touch nature? Like touch a leaf, smell the flower, dig your hand into the soil. It's soil. But even walking with barefoot in the soil on the grass, it recharges you. It helps you get rid of all the negative energy that you pick up from works and people around you. And if you don't know how to get rid of that, it's gonna make your life not as graceful, because the more stuff you pick up, the heavier it gets on you. Someday you will feel it drains you. Part of meditation is learn to connect to nature, which is like learn to connect yourself. Be aware of the thing you're growing, the flower, the vegetable. By paying attention to it, you're learning how to pay attention to yourself. And eventually when you close your eye and you meditate, you're going inside, then you start to learn out of yourself. Like, why is this one beating harder? Or why is the blood flowing like this? And then you're gonna learn about the creation inside you. If you learn it well enough, you can do amazing thing inside, because you have done amazing thing with your garden. You start out with baby steps. Thank you for watching today. If you haven't subscribed or click the bell like button, please do so right now. And thank you for your support, so that way I know people enjoy the work I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help people to understand and feel better about themselves. If you find this video useful, please share with your friend. I will try to put more better video about self-awareness, meditation, grounding, energy. I love gardening, so I might put a lot of video on gardening. I live in the desert, so it's very hard to garden in the desert. Well, thank you.